Okay, family, so what do we have here? What do we have here? So this right here is what I consider your blueprint guide to becoming successful online when it comes to making money in affiliate marketing. Let's zoom in just a little bit, just so you can see how we start off. So we start off with our 10-point affiliate marketing checklist, which will teach you how to properly do digital/affiliate marketing. Now, I believe that if you go through this complete guide, which I'm constantly updating it for you guys to add more value, that you will earn an income from home in digital/affiliate marketing, doing the things that you like and love. No, you don't have to point and click and do this and that and do those spammy type of videos. You don't even have to show your face on camera. You don't even have to use your own voice. You don't even have to use real actual people. You can actually build an online business with affiliate/digital marketing with everything that we have here. And this document will be expanded. So if you're interested in getting the access, free access, comment ready or send me a direct message and I'll get this over to you. Because success is determined by the amount of skills that you have in the way you actually apply those skills to get the results. So let's go.